Hello viewer, this here video is a tour of Dolce Vita Villa La Colina here in Guanacaste, Costa Rica. This place is located right in the middle of Playa Del Coco and Playa Ocotal. So in both directions, the beach is about 15 minutes by foot, 10 minutes by car, 5 minutes by motorcycle, so not too far. But I'm going to show you guys the entire grounds, all the pools, the inside of the condo, so you're getting everything head to toe, inside and out. So try to make your way. Enjoy it.
Vagabond Vito.
This is going to be a walking tour of the grounds, so let's check this joint out. Little hidden pool. Looks like it hasn't been cleaned in a while. I don't know if I get in that one. Man, I am sweating. It's hot today. Costa Rica's no joke with the heat stroke. I'm lost. Okay, this looks new. Was I here already too? Bafangu. I had to save the best for last. So this is my pool actually. Top level. Top of the hills. A wrap on Dolce Vita Villa La Colina.
Vagabond Vito.